Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to find a gas leak. So I've got a couple unions and connections here on this gas. I just happened to walk by and smelt just a real faint smell of gas. So here's a quick way to do it. So I'm just getting just a big jug of bubbles from the kids had a big jar of it, and so just open it up here. And I'm trying to not to get it all over the place. It takes two hands. I only have one hand holding the camera here. So what I do is I just hold up the jar and I take just a little brush. I've seen people take like a squirt bottle, but I like to just use a brush because the squirt bottle kind of makes bubbles and all that stuff. Just dip it in your bubbles, and then all you have to do is just I just put it on either side, and that's you just kind of wipe it on here, and it'll go around the pipe. You might have to help it a little bit around the bottom. So this one doesn't really have a leak, so you don't really see anything. But now watch this. When I go, just dip it again, and that's why I hold this underneath the joint there, so that way the excess bubbles will go in and you don't have a mess. It'll just go right in the jar. But I'm obviously holding the camera here. You'll notice here, if I do this and I just wipe it on here and just slowly around, you'll start to see your bubbles. So right there I've got a gas leak on there. So it's a real quick and easy way to figure out whether you're leaking or not. And if I do it on the other side here, do another dip. You can be real generous with this, and just kind of wipe it on here and see how it runs down all the way around. Sorry, I'm watching what I'm doing, not the camera. And I just kind of finish it up there. So you notice this side, not a whole lot of bubbles. That's normal, so there's no leak there. Here you just see it bubbling, and obviously I've got a leak, so I've got some work to do here. So just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to figure out if you've got a gas leak without one of those expensive detectors and an expensive plumber. So now search YouTube to figure out how to fix a gas leak.